Later. Yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What is up, everybody? It's your girl D. I just got off work and my makeup is like donezo for the day. Like it's all melted off and shit. And Arizona is hot as out here. So yeah, you can see my makeup is melting off. So I was gonna wash my face, but I thought this is a perfect time for me to do this unboxing video. So I got a package in from ColourPop, and this is ColourPop's the new matte foundation jazz. I got the foundation and I got the pressed powder. You know, I actually don't even remember what I got. So I'm gonna open this up right now. The one thing that intrigued me about, you know, trying this foundation is because right now the foundation that I currently use, okay, let me go through my foundations, okay? So MAC Studio Fix Fluid, the Sephora brand, and right now I am using the Smashbox Cosmetics foundation. Smashbox Photo Skin 18-hour wear. Oh, but right now I'm actually wearing Mary Kay. I'm sorry, I really don't like Mary Kay. The only reason why I have Mary Kay foundation is because my sister had a friend who sold Mary Kay and she had a kit that she gave up, and then she just gave my sister all the foundations. So I just took all the light skin foundations. I'm actually really excited to try this foundation because on the ColourPop website, they ask you what your color is in Studio Fix Fluid. It's supposed to be really similar to Studio Fix Fluid. It's supposed to be matte. Let's just open it. We can open the box. So I ordered this. What day did I order this? What day was that? So I ordered this on Monday and I got it on Thursday. So I haven't opened it. So it comes with, you are totally awesome. Totally awesome. Can you see that? So this is my invoice. I got matte foundation in my shade is medium dark 120 and a pressed powder. That's what I got. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. I had to adjust my lighting a little bit so y'all can see this, but I got the ColourPop No Filter foundation and I got the ColourPop No Filter sheer pressed powder because a bitch is oily. So first I'm gonna see what this foundation is talking about. And this is the foundation. Oh, that's a cute bottle. It's got stars on it and shit. So this is the ColourPop No Filter foundation, and my color that I have here is medium dark 120. So it comes with a pump. I'm scared it's gonna be too light. Oh, it's actually not light. The bottle looks lighter than the actual foundation. Oh. It's actually, I just did not even a full pump. Okay, let me see. Oh my God, oh my God. Okay, so I just went to go wash it off my hand so I can do it again. But this is, I have a tattoo on my hand. It's a little cross. I'm taking, let's do this hand. Not even a full pump, look. That's how much I have. Oh my gosh, are you freaking serious? Like, look. Wow. Okay, so let's see what the pressed powder is talking about then. ColourPop No Filter Sheer Powder, color medium dark. It's just color medium dark on this one. It doesn't have a smell. It's got a bomb mirror though. So I want to try to apply some of this powder to the foundation that I have on my tattoo that is covered. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this pressed powder and then let's just blot. I mean, I think this is pretty much to just keep you from being oily. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna wash my face and then I'm gonna apply some of this foundation and then we'll see, you know, how it actually looks on your skin, because you know the skin on your face is different than the skin on your hands. So let's see what this foundation is talking about. I just went to the bathroom and washed my face, so you can tell the a struggle. I have dark circles. Like, I have like different dark spots on my face. I have really, really dark circles. And these are just things that I cover up with foundation. So I'm just gonna try some of this foundation, and I'm actually gonna try it with a sponge. And I'm gonna show you guys how much I put on here. So that's not even a whole pump. Now I'm gonna do one full pump. The most important thing for me with foundations is that they are matte, because if they are not matte, they just are not gonna work for me. Like, my skin gets so oily, like I just need to be matte. The one thing I do notice about this foundation is that it's very like watery, which is a good thing. I love foundations that are thin and watery. Still gives like really good coverage. Like it really reminds me, the consistency of it reminds me of Fenty, the Fenty foundation. Because the Fenty foundation is very, very thin. It's like watery thin, but it gives really good coverage and it feels really light on your face and you don't need to use a whole lot. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty damn good. And of course, you know, I don't have any concealer on or anything either, but I'm just trying to get a little sample of what it do, okay? So yeah, let's see. Really like it, you guys. I honestly really do. I didn't think I was going to, but I do. It reminds me of the Fenty foundation, and the color I feel like matches pretty damn good, but I don't know, it's kind of hard to see in this lighting because I really don't have like makeup lighting or like natural lighting. I'll be able to tell, you know, better, but from now, like, I think this actually matches better than the foundation I've been using. So now I'm gonna use the pressed powder. So let's see, you know, I'm gonna use my little brush. I'll just get some. Oh yeah. I'm mad that it doesn't come with like an applicator, but that's okay though, because I got plenty. Maybe like a puff one of these will do to carry with me. Oh, you guys, I love it. I really do. It's matte. It's very, very matte. The pressed powder, you know, you don't need a whole lot, it's just really, I mean, it's not for color, it's just to set your makeup. But if you can see now, my shit is matte. And of course it's gonna look better like when I put like concealer and contour and all that shit, but I like it. So I really like this foundation, and I'm actually gonna start buying this. You know what? When I ordered this, I started to order 2 of them. But it's just so crazy how this foundation works so good, and I paid $42 for the one that I've been using, and this was $12 fucking dollars, you guys. $12! The foundation is $12, and then the no filter pressed powder was $6. $6. Ordered there, I got free shipping because they were having a promotion where you get free shipping. So all together, total, I paid $21 for a pressed powder and matte foundation. Like, at Sephora, do you know how much that shit would cost you? If you really need something matte and you really want a good foundation for like a really cheap price, ColourPop, y'all did that. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment below and let me know what kind of foundation you use, or what kind of foundation or makeup that I should use or I should try. Because I'm always looking for new and better shit. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.